So this thing is pretty much ready to print TPU. Before I go ahead and start taking measurements and designing the dust seal for the giveaway laptop, I'm going to calibrate my... Hey guys, Virgil back again. So you can see these prints are coming out quite clean. Now this machine is almost calibrated and ready to run TPU. I've got PLA in there right now. So what I'm going to do before I start taking measurements and actually designing the dust seal in FreeCAD for the giveaway laptop is I am going to throw TPU in this machine and calculate my E-steps using the TPU filament. I find that to be a much better practice than calculating the E-steps with a different filament than the one you're actually going to print your object with. Right now I'm just kind of running a test print with PLA to make sure the nozzles are clear, make sure after rewiring it I don't have any interference issues or clearance issues, set the Z height, and basically just run through your typical checklist to get a printer ready. Now once I calculate my E-steps with the TPU, I will go down to the factory, line up and drill all the holes for the acrylic cover. Then once the cover is bolted in place and we know the final height of it, I'm going to design the dust cover out of TPU using FreeCAD, one of my favorite programs. I think it's one of the coolest programs in the world. It's completely open source, and it's definitely worth a weekend to get the basics down so you can start designing your own projects. I've actually already started designing the new chassis for Hulk in FreeCAD, and that's going to be an awesome project. And before we build Hulk version 2, we have to build some infrastructure in the factory in order to get the results we want. And trust me when I tell you guys, the build quality on this channel is about to be upgraded by 100-fold. And I'll have more news on that later. I'm not going to let it go quite yet, but trust when I tell you we're about to drastically improve our capabilities here. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Hope you're learning. I hope you're doing something you love. And I hope you have a good rest of your day and an even better week. See you guys soon.